How to fix Messenger messages not showing on screen. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and let us get started. Launch your Messenger application from your device and get logged into your Facebook Messenger account. Now, if your messages has not been shown in your screen, then there are two ways you can fix it. You can tap on the three-bar icon, then tap on Settings, and enable Chat Heads. Now, once you toggle on the Chat Heads option, even if you close the Messenger, you can still chat with that person if you had continued chatting with the person before closing your Messenger app. Another way you can fix it is by opening up your settings, scroll below until you find the option of Apps, and here search for Messenger. Tap onto Messenger app, then tap on Notifications. Make sure that you toggled on Allow Notifications, and also make sure under Notification Types, you toggle on all these boxes. That means these messages will also be shown on lock screen. It will also have a badge if the messages are there, and it will also pop up onto your pop screen. Once you do all that, this will definitely fix your problem. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, stay updated.